Now student, this is 7th paragraph. The school reopened and classes began. Harish proudly carried his books to school, but just 2 months into the school term, all the books were looking different. The English notebook had no cover, mathematics had many pages missing, the Hindi textbook was torn. But student, in this paragraph it shows that after 2 or 3 months his books are becoming very poor, all the pages missing, maths book pages missing, English book notebooks cover gone, and Hindi's textbooks was torn. Now 8th paragraph. Harish's mother got angry seeing the pathetic shape of this book. Pathetic means bad condition. Shape of this book. She decided to teach him a lesson. She went to Harish's English teacher's Mrs. Jaya and they thought of a plan. Harish's mother was always worried about his habit because the condition of the books are becoming very bad. Now she went to Harish's English teacher to set a plan to teach Harish a lesson. On Monday morning, Harish was getting ready for school. Mother, did you see my English book? I have a test today. This is paragraph 9, student. But on Monday morning when Harish was ready for school, he asked his mother what he is asking. He is asking that, Mother, did you see my English notebook? I have a test today, because on that day he have a test. Then 10th paragraph. What? No, Harish, I am sure it's somewhere there. Have you checked inside your bag and the shelf? But what her mother replied? His mother replied that I am sure that it is somewhere there, whether it is in the book, in the bag or on the shelf. Now turn your page number 6. Paragraph number 11. Oh mom, I can't find it anywhere. Mrs. Jaya is going to scold me today. Then Harish replied to his mother that, oh mom, I can't find it where, means I am searching my notebook but I am finding nowhere. Mrs. Jaya means my English teacher scolded me today. Now it is 12th paragraph. Well, it's time to leave. Your bus is here already. I am also getting late for office, said her mother, smiling to herself. She knew Mrs. Jaya would take care of the rest. Now this paragraph shows that her mother already make a plan with English teacher. In this paragraph he replied to his son that there is no time, the bus is waiting outside and I am also late for the office, you must go to your school quickly. Now paragraph 13. Later in the class, Mrs. Jaya asked the pupil to take out their English notebook. She handed out the question paper and ordered them to answer the questions. While the other children were busy preparing to write, Harish sat staring ahead with tears in his eyes. In the class, when the class test started, Mrs. Jaya gave the question paper to all their students and asked all the students to take out the notebooks. At that time, Harish was staring all of them and always only tears in his eyes.